Apple Vision Pro Screen Flickering Troubleshooting Guide. Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll walk you through easy troubleshooting steps to fix screen flickering issues on the Apple Vision Pro. First, make sure the headset is properly fitted and secure. If you're using any accessories or cables, inspect them to ensure they're not loose or damaged. Next, restart your Vision Pro. Many temporary glitches, including screen flickering, can be resolved with a simple reboot. Check for the latest Vision OS updates. Apple frequently includes bug fixes and performance improvements that may address display issues like flickering. If flickering continues, try adjusting your display settings. Reset brightness and other preferences to default. Also, turn off any experimental features that might interfere with the display. As a final step, if the flickering persists, it may be a hardware problem. Reach out to Apple support to arrange a repair or replacement.